bear market plunges that we saw. So I think it was around, it was well north of 40,000, maybe 45,000. So to see what Galaxy was able to achieve with an 80,000 dump and with barely a blip on the candle, so that was extremely encouraging to all sorts of people with deep pockets, because now they know they can get in and they can get out, and liquidity is not a problem in a $2 trillion market. I think it's $2.3 trillion market. So it was incredibly encouraging to see that. I was so happy to see the fact that not only did nobody panic on the timeline, but the market just absorbed that so well. So in addition to, maturing as a market, we're now seeing much larger players get the green light from regulators and also market conditions to enter Bitcoin.
And what you ultimately have is a very distributed amount of people who are purchasing Bitcoin and very varied types of entities who are buying Bitcoin as well. And that adds to Bitcoin's resilience. You have a more mature market. Entities are buying regardless of what the price is doing because they believe in the long-term trajectory of the asset, right? Smart investors, when an asset is down, they want to buy more of it, versus retail investors who do the exact opposite. They want to pile in when Bitcoin's price is doing well, and they get fearful when Bitcoin's price isn't doing well, and they sell. And so buying and selling is extremely reflexive to price, not only because you have a lot more variation in the entities who are buying Bitcoin, but also the entities who are buying Bitcoin in size now are buying and holding. They're buying for the long term, and they're not selling. So that is massively great news for Bitcoin stability.